Ladies and gentlemen, very delighted to welcome you all to the historic city of Hyderabad and to the global bio platform, the 15th BioAsia Summit. Before I begin, let me tell you I'm not just speaking here as a minister, as a politician, because I've heard my friend Krishna Yella say that when we talk about biology or the credentials or the potential of the city of Hyderabad, I do have politics in mind, but at the same time, Krishna, I do also have some bona fide credentials as a biologist. I must tell you, I have a master's degree in biotechnology as well, so it's a delight to be amidst all of you, and wonderful sharing some thoughts with you as well. It's the honor of Government of Telangana to have the life sciences experts and scientists across the globe as part of BioAsia event to exchange innovative ideas and develop a culture of collaboration. We have people from Malaysia, the state of Selangor. We have IDA Ireland represented here, and we also have Professor Michael Hall, who has just been awarded the Excellence Award of Genome Valley. We also have several researchers, scientists, and business leaders from across the world. I'd like to thank all of you, all the delegates present here, who have taken a step forward to collaborate and contribute for the betterment of life sciences fraternity. And we are happy to host this event in Hyderabad, which is one of the top life sciences destinations in the world. I take great pride to announce that Telangana, the state of Telangana, has further strengthened its leadership position in life sciences, innovation and manufacturing by contributing more than 35% to the national pharmaceutical production in India. We also, as a state, are also proud to be known as or recognized as the vaccine hub with the support of a number of industry players such as Bharat, Biological E, Shanta Biotech, etc. We now, in fact, contribute to more than 33% of the global vaccines, and which have been, in fact, contributing to alleviating global pain and disease. World-class infrastructure, cluster approach, and availability of qualified, skilled manpower continues to attract major global and Indian life sciences companies to the state of Telangana and to India. The establishment and development of Genome Valley, the pharma city which is going to be the world's largest pharma cluster and India's largest medical devices park here in Hyderabad, makes it a unique destination providing a comprehensive ecosystem of global life sciences facilities. BioAsia as a platform has also played a crucial role in the journey of Hyderabad to become the global destination of life sciences by attracting the attention of global leaders like Novartis, Glaxo, etc. We recognize the importance of this platform and attach great importance to the deliberations that happen here. I'm happy to announce that we've already accorded Genome Valley with the status of the Industrial Area Local Authority as promised in the 14th BioAsia Summit. The ILA status enables a single point of administration of the cluster, which will allow the organizations in Genome Valley a single point of contact for all the government-related approvals and further facilitate expeditious infrastructure development within the cluster. ILA will be a game changer for the cluster and herald a new era of development. This is a testimony to the commitment of the government of Telangana towards facilitating the ease of doing business, for which we are already recognized as the #1 state in our country, India. As many of you already may know, Genome Valley cluster is among the largest life sciences clusters in Asia, and the government will continue to support the cluster to strengthen its dominant position. From humble beginnings in 1999, the cluster has grown tremendously to become home to more than 200 companies with approximately 10,000 scientific and technical workforce. Today we have global majors like Novartis, GSK, Sanofi, Ferring Pharma, Chemo, DuPont, Ashland, United States Pharmacopoeia, Lonza, and many others, along with several Indian majors undertaking their strategic global research program from their centers in Genome Valley. People of Telangana and people of India feel proud and honored to contribute in creating products for unmet healthcare needs of the world, especially for the developing world. This year, we also welcomed Slayback Pharma, a US major with focus on injectables, parental and formulation development for oral solids. We also welcome Chemo, the Spanish pharmaceuticals and formulation manufacturer, to commence their operations in Genome Valley. I congratulate Novartis, GSK, Biological E, and Alembic for the rapid expansion of their research and manufacturing operations in Genome Valley. We're also working very closely with Government of India to accelerate the establishment of India's largest animal resources facility, also in Genome Valley, which will amplify benefits to the life sciences companies and will accelerate development and significantly reduce the time to market new drugs. I take this opportunity to announce that Government of Telangana will expand the Genome Valley cluster and will immediately initiate formulation of an integrated master plan of the cluster, which will mark the beginning of Genome Valley 2.0. I'm sure that this cluster will serve as a launch pad for many more successes in the healthcare arena. Honorable Chief Minister, in fact, who was supposed to grace this occasion as the chief guest, could not make it because of a loss of a family member in his family. But he is very keen to ensure the inclusive growth that has been kick-started in collaboration with the private sector here. And he's also extremely committed to support the startups, the disruptors, the ideators, and the tinkerers, and create an ecosystem that encourages all innovation that impact the life of poor and the underprivileged. The state of Telangana, over the last 2 decades, has given the world multiple low-cost vaccines and is a manufacturing base to cater to global vaccine requirements for price-sensitive markets as well. Our companies, which are headquartered in Hyderabad, like Bharat Biotech, Biological E, Shanta Biotech, among others, have done a remarkable job and have created a huge impact in preventive healthcare. The government is committed to see at least one new vaccine, with the help of industry, of course, being launched from Hyderabad every single year. To support this initiative, we're contemplating various initiatives and support infrastructure, including a first-of-its-kind incubator focused for vaccine development in Genome Valley, supported by the Government of Telangana and with the collaboration of the industry, of course. Telangana today has not only the maximum number of life sciences incubators, but also has some of the most successful ones, with more than 100 life sciences companies in these incubators. Many of these organizations are ready to graduate to set up their own manufacturing facilities. Incubators that not only will imbibe a spirit of entrepreneurship among the youth, but will also foster innovation and ensure talent availability in the state. Our endeavor is to create incubation centers across the state of Telangana, even in the rural areas, covering all research institutions and leading academic institutions as well. Honorable Chief Minister, Shri K. Chandrasekhar Rao has given us very ambitious targets for the life sciences sector. And like last year, I am using this platform to share our vision for the sector in the year coming up. Life sciences complements information technology in a big way. The convergence of life sciences and information technology is an arena which is extremely dynamic and which is extremely important for the world at large as well. India and our state have globally recognized leadership in these two sectors. No global industry leader from these two sectors, either information technology or life sciences, can afford to miss visiting Hyderabad and the state of Telangana if they are looking at the opportunity within India. In fact, we want the world to be in a dilemma whether to call Telangana a leader in technology or a leader in life sciences. Our goal is to leverage our existing strength in life sciences industry and make it an economic growth engine to create 400,000 jobs with an investment of $100 billion in the next 10 years, with most of these jobs, of course, coming up in manufacturing. Our ambitions for this sector grow multifolds every single year. We strongly believe any aspirations set without involvement of the stakeholders in the ecosystem will be incomplete. And hence, we've already undertaken many initiatives to get together with the stakeholders to collectively set the vision for the state under the aegis of Telangana Life Sciences Advisory Committee headed by Bala. Large number of stakeholder consultations have been carried out, and these efforts will culminate in a new life sciences policy for the state, which I am confident will set a new benchmark. The policy framework will encourage established companies to partner with incubatees and help create an innovation exchange where our large pool of established entrepreneurs could guide, mentor, and partner such incubatees in evolving into a large facility of their own. While these efforts at the level of the government create a conducive growth environment, we also recognize the importance of skill development to make our youth job ready. The Telangana Academy for Skill and Knowledge, abbreviated as TASK, has been a unique initiative of the state government and has helped thousands receive job-relevant training and placement consequently. Pharmaceuticals and biotechnology are certainly on the priority areas of TASK. We shall endeavor to design more courses tailor-made for the life sciences sector. I also call upon all the educational institutions in the state and the local industry to partner with one another and impart on-the-job training to our very talented students. We are also keen to establish an institute focused on emerging areas like immunotherapy, personalized medicine, and nanomedicine. For this, we will work with our local institutes and industries, the Government of India, and also other global organizations towards this ambition. I am glad that the Indian Institute of Technology, or IIT, and MD Anderson Cancer Institute, in partnership with US FDA, have organized a workshop on nanotechnology and nanomedicine as a precursor to this BioAsia, and would like to thank the organizers for making Hyderabad the destination of choice for this event as well. We also have an extremely unique institution called the Research and Innovation Circle of Hyderabad, which essentially is an effort of the government of Telangana to bring about a collaborative approach towards commercial research between the industry and also the academic institutions in the state of Telangana. And this is an effort headed by a senior gentleman, Ajit Rangnekar, who is also seated right here amidst us. We have made significant progress in the Life Sciences Infrastructure Fund that was announced last year with the government at this event itself. The fund shall start making investments in 2018, hence enabling inclusive growth. We aim at creating assets in the life sciences sector which are worth at least rupees 3,000 crores, or roughly $500 million in the next 2 to 3 years. We are also working meticulously to ground the ambitious Hyderabad Pharma City within the next few months. This is going to be the world's largest single pharma cluster in about 19,000 acres. Many of you may know that this project is anticipating an environmental clearance, and it is at a very advanced stage under the consideration of Government of India. The vision and the plan for the project has already received overwhelming feedback and support, not only from the industry, but also from the Government of India, which has called it a project of national importance. Government of India, in fact, as I have mentioned on various forums, has accepted and has appreciated this as a project of great deal of significance for not only our country, but also for the rest of the world. I promise you that we will continue to make every effort to make this Hyderabad Pharma City a global benchmark for most efficient and sustainable industrial cluster with utmost commitment to environment as well. Also, I call upon all of our entrepreneurs to look at the medical devices sector and capitalize on the big opportunity that India as a country presents today. In fact, India as a country imports more than 70% of the med devices, and with the Make in India campaign, the Telangana Medical Devices Park, which is the largest in the country, is uniquely positioned to help entrepreneurs and industries innovate and manufacture med devices, not just for India, but also use this as an export hub for the rest of the world as well. We are committed to enabling and facilitating unique linkages and partnerships between pharma, biotech, and med devices companies to enable a holistic healing and new products innovation in the healthcare continuum. Science is the greatest antidote to many problems we are facing today. The impact that the life sciences industry has is direct on the health of the most important treasure of a nation, its people, its human resources. I'm sure that the industry is conscious of this solemn duty and is geared towards developing solutions to all the contemporary problems as well. Once again, I thank you all for being part of BioAsia event in Hyderabad, and I shall personally look forward to interacting with you during the course of next 2 days. I hope that you will not only enjoy the deliberations in this event, but I also hope you will enjoy the hospitality of Telangana and the wonderful city of Hyderabad. Thank you very much.